Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute fairy light up sign. It's super easy and I love the way it looks in my room. Everything needed to make this fairy light up sign is super inexpensive and you can find it at your local craft store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So you'll need some fairy lights, some flexible wire, hot glue gun with glue sticks or some super glue, and then a giant canvas with some tape. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unravel your flexible wire. I went with silver. There's different colors. There's gold, there's blue, red, there's a ton of different colors, but I like the silver look. So I'm just going to unwrap it and then unravel it and straighten it out with my hands. Next, you're going to pick your word that you want to have on your fairy light sign. I chose the word create because I'm always creating. I love being creative, and I felt like if I saw that word light up in my room and see it every day, it'll help inspire me to keep on creating and to keep making content for you guys and for myself. So here I'm literally just bending the silver wire to make the word create in cursive. It takes a little bit of time, but it's super easy. The silver wire bends and is super flexible, so it shouldn't be that hard for you. So now I'm going to place the word that I've created onto my canvas. I used a canvas that I had already painted, so you can put yours on a blank white canvas, or you can paint yours a solid color, or do a random abstract painting like I did, and then just place your word right on top of it. So now you're going to take your hot glue gun or your super glue, whichever one you want to use, and start gluing it onto your canvas. I chose to do the super glue just because, well, I'll be honest with you, I actually bought the wrong sizes of glue sticks that go into the gun, but I found that the super glue was actually really easy to use. With the super glue, I found it was helpful to place some on the canvas and some on the wire and hold it down for at least 30 seconds so that it really stays in place. Next, I grabbed my fairy lights and I placed them behind the canvas, and then I just grabbed a thumbtack and made a hole where I wanted the fairy light to string through. So I just grabbed that and poked it from the front of the canvas and then turned it around to the back and just poked it some more so that the hole could be a little bit bigger so that the fairy lights could fit through easily. Then I just started to string through the fairy lights through the canvas all the way. Once I did that, I started to loop the fairy lights around the wire. Not all of the wire I super glued down, so there was parts of it that was lifted up a little bit. So I started to wrap the fairy lights around it. It took a really long time, and so then I decided to just use tape, clear tape, and actually just start taping the fairy lights into the pattern and shape of my word. And it was a lot easier. And because it was clear tape, you can't see it on the canvas at all. And then just on the back of the canvas, I just taped the battery pack to the back of the canvas, and that's it.